Hi, this is Sandra from Greyd. Today I'd like to show you two features we have added to several blocks in Gutenberg, the trigger picker and dynamic tags. The trigger picker enables you to trigger different actions on click, for example, open a pop-up, link or email window. Let's have a look at it in the backend and use the group block as an example. Whenever you find this arrow icon in a block, the trigger picker is available. You can then select from various actions: link, back, scroll to, pop-up, email, download, trigger event, and dynamic links. Depending on the action you select, you can then define the link, anchor, pop-up, email data, download file, or trigger event. And sometimes you can, for example, define whether to open a link in a separate tab or not. You can select the scroll to, anchor, pop-up. You have to enter the email data. For trigger events, we have a dedicated tutorial video. These can also be triggered directly on hover, so not only on click. And with dynamic links, you can link, for example, to your homepage, or for posts to the post author or post image. And as the name indicates, dynamic links are dynamic, thus they adapt automatically to each post, or also if you change, for example, your homepage. You can use the trigger picker currently in the blocks group, button, and content box, but further blocks might follow in the near future. Let's move on to dynamic tags, which you can also find in many blocks. With them, you can enter dynamic values like your page title, the date, or post details. Depending on the type of value, you can then also set a link and/or define the format in more detail. On the symbol, you can, for example, also include a copyright symbol, or, for example, link to your website title, and so on. For more videos and information, please visit our Help Center.